Okay, the next part of this is to make my keychain. I wanted to show you something here real quick with the snap grid. So just as we're going to go over in more detail some different ways that you can make your keychain, but I'm just going to be simple and go with some basic things here. So I'm going to grab the text and numbers, and I'm just going to drag in the letters for my friend's daughter. We will make her a keychain. Her name is Quinn. And I'm going to just stagger these letters. And something that you'll notice is you do need to have a little bit of an overlap if you want the letters to join together. So because it's an 1/8 inch, when I try to put them on here and then move it over, it makes a big jump. So you can change your snap grid to a smaller amount. And then when you toggle over, you have just a little bit less movement in each little click that you make. So if I like the look of this, there we go. That looks great. I'm going to highlight all of the letters together and turn them into one piece. If I click on this and look at the measurement, let's see if it's going to give it to me. I can see that it's only a 1/2 inch tall, and is it going to let me grab the measurement on the other side? I'm going to grab my ruler here. Maybe that'll make it a little easier. And I'm only 1.74. So if you look on your planner, there's actually a little ruler there, and you could see that that's actually not a very big keychain. So if I want to size it up, I'm going to click Shift so that I size it up equally, and I'm going to make it more like 2.5. And if I can't hit that exact 2.5, I might just click on it here and change my number. And maybe I want it to be 1 inch tall. Okay, great. So I like the way that looks. And the next thing I'm going to do is throw in a key ring. Lots of different ways to do that. But if I go back up to the basic shapes, you can either use a torus or a tube. The nice thing about a torus, oh, they even have a ring here. Maybe we'll do the ring. The nice thing about the ring or the torus is that it has a, actually, you know what? I'm going to do something different. I'm going to use the torus because I like the features of it. The nice thing about the torus is that it has this rounded edges, which just makes it slide on and off of a keychain easier. But you can use these different buttons here to sliders to make some different features about it, whether you want it really rounded or whether you want it, skinnier, wider. So I'm going to try something that, let's see. And then I'm going to grab the corner. I'm going to press Shift so I resize it because I don't want a ring that's that big. And I'm going to stick it here on the end. And I need to move it up so that it's on the surface. And I think if I click on it and press D, it puts it exactly flat on my work plane. So if I can't quite tell if it's exactly there, I press D and it just lines it up perfectly. You could put it in the middle here, but the problem with that is that it has to build a support on a 3D printer, and then that makes the bottom really rough and bumpy. So it's best if you have everything flat on the bottom. Okay, so there is my keychain. And in the next video, I will show you how to export it. It will save it automatically in Tinkercad.